When we finished our tour of Lizz's dream house, I decided I would take her up the street and show her an apartment that we had viewed last year. You'll see I changed my mind about some of the drastic renovation I suggested.
I'm Liz Roberts, and I live in Los Angeles, California. I'm looking for a house in Italy because I love this country and the culture that is here.
So next I'm taking Liz to see this in-town apartment. Probably not something she would pick, but I think she should see it. It is a very traditional Italian apartment. It's a good size. This is a good option for you. This is a move-in ready.
It's done.
I mean, you can move in. It's probably not exactly what you would do, but you can just move in and then slowly renovate it. There's a big surprise upstairs where you could make a huge master ensuite bedroom with great closets. So when I first came in here, I didn't like the fact that there were a lot of different kinds of floors in here. These tiles are okay, not great. I would probably rip out all of the tile and just make it all one tile. It seems very like unga pachka patchworky. And now I had a completely different take on it. And I thought we need to embrace this wiki-waki quilted floors. So for me, if I did this space, I would give it kind of a hippie vibe. Like I would embrace the 60s and the 70s. And there are great vintage stores for that here, because I have a tendency to want to rip everything out and make it something it's not, but maybe embrace what it is and then just kind of support that a bit.
Totally.
And then this is lovely.
This has such good light.
Right. And I mean, the only thing I might do is I might put more glass in. E posso fare una finestra tutto qua?
Sì, questo può essere tutto aperto. E questo l'hanno praticamente, loro l'hanno chiuso per l'inverno, questo è nuovo, e qui può essere tutto
posso
aperto.
Posso permissione di fare un
Certo.
vetri tutto?
Sì,
E qua?
sì.
Because I would want to do glass, just glass this in and, have them, the sliding glass where it would be like in the summertime you could open it, or the spring or the fall, like a day-to-day. Like today, you could open this all up and sit out here and dine out here, probably the dining room table out here.
Yes, I agree. More windows.
Yeah. But again, Italians do that very well. They don't look at you like, oh, that's a big project. They go, yeah, that's fine. We'll be here Tuesday. And then this room, I don't know what it could be, but it's very cute. It has a fireplace, which is very interessante questo, no? Strano.
Sì.
But to me, it's like you just cover that, make it all white, and it's a fireplace.
Yeah. Or you could just put a new unit in.
Do you agree that maybe embracing the wacky floors might be a thing?
Oh, totally. You could do this right.
Okay.
Absolutely.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. I'm not
There's a
that
few
off.
things I would tweak, but really I agree with you that you could just move it in.
Well, I don't really understand these doors.
Yeah, this is one of the
say.
things that
I just saw you look at them. I was like, yeah, that could just get ripped out. And this could just
or
be
you
one
could
big
just
sunroom.
change these to just see through so that at
Yeah,
least it's it has almost like a greenhouse vibe.
Yeah, well, greenhouse would work. I kind of liked the kitchen. It could stay for a while.
It's a real where you eat situation.
Oh my God. This is funny. It's a very good solution for a bathroom. Here, I'm gonna stand in it so you can see how tiny it is. It's like very tiny. It's cute though. It's cute. We get rid of it though. It goes away. You wanted that bathroom behind the kitchen. Here
I mean,
it is.
this bathroom is swanky.
It is cute. I don't know that I can totally fit in there.
Good luck.
I don't know.
Oh
if
no,
I can-
you.
I could do a pee-pee in here.
The doorways are interesting
So-
in this home.
Well, this is very sort of a retrofitted situation here. This is like furniture, you realize that. You just pull it out.
Yeah.
I would probably do all tile and make this just very groovy in here. I think this could be groovy space, like even sort of 70s. If you really wanted to just keep it simple, you could do a little IKEA kitchen in here, make it very modern and cute, This would be really easy to retrofit, so I like it.
I mean, it's a cute space, and you're right. Like someone could really move in here.
So this is the other room, the other bedroom. And this is a very cool floor. I mean, I don't know.
The first level of the apartment is sort of, it's fine, but it's nothing too exciting.
So super secret camera sopra.
Andiamo.
See,
E terrazza.
he's going to take us to the super secret
Should I
camera.
be excited or scared?
It's fabulous.
Okay.
So get excited. I take Liz up the stairs. In my brain, I'm thinking she's going to go, no way.
Oh my gosh, what's here?
Closet.
No, roof.
But it's a closet. He says it's a
Questo è
roof.
incredibile.
Look at this floor.
Yeah, this is great.
Questo è
I
fantastico.
mean, there's so much potential up
You
here.
could do your bedroom up
potente.
here.
Wow.
This is the master suite up here, by the
Oh.
way.
Wow.
Oh, wow, yeah.
Sole, no problem.
Okay,
East.
I get it.
Right?
Yeah.
Look at that.
Wow.
Yep.
I don't understand the wires, but yeah. Okay, this is very happy out here. Yeah, this is nice.
Wow.
Love.
Wonderful.
Love this. Wow, great view.
Qui c'è il sole dall'alba al tramonto.
Yeah, this is fantastic.
Est.
Now this is fabulous. You see the church thing. Oh, this is great. Great terrace. This is great. Okay, it's always full of surprises, Italy.
It's the terrace and the upstairs that really give that the wow factor. This is definitely a prime spot for Aperitivo.
In the roof, new, eh?
It's
Later
brand new?
view.
Oh, wow.
Later view. Here,
sì.
different property.
Ah. That's
This
a really great spot out
could
there.
be the master suite because you have a space to put a fabulous bathroom.
Interesting.
And let me show you the closet. So this is where the roof is. So this is where all the mechanical is, right?
Yep.
But check it out.
Oh my goodness.
So this could be a closet,
Totally. You could do so much in this space.
right? And it even has like a little sun-roofy thing here, and a little sunshine in your closet. So I thought she wasn't gonna like it, but she actually did like it, and she really understood the value. It's a big space for not a lot of money.
There's so much potential space to really make this a whole other living area. The upstairs has a lot of potential. There's space, there's room to convert rooms into a really nice sized bedroom up there with a big bathroom, a lot of closet space, and then you have that really great outdoor terrace. It's the terrace and the upstairs that really give that the wow factor.
I think this is a very good value
Totally.
because I think you're getting a very big space
Yeah.
for not a lot of money.
Yes. What is it listed at?
I think it's 100 questo. Federico.
I think it was, yeah.
100?
120.
120. So penso 90.
Vediamo.
If you were serious about this, I would get the contractor to come and do an estimate on
Yes.
this space here. I mean, just spitballing off the top of my head, you could probably do this whole thing for 30 on top. And then downstairs, maybe not touch a lot for a year. You know,
Yeah.
just clean it, paint
Yeah.
it.
Yeah.
But I think for the money, this is a big property. It's much bigger
Totally.
than you realize when you
Yes.
walk through.
Yeah, absolutely.
So I think this is definitely worth thinking about. That's why we go and see lots of properties, because in Italy, the property finds you. And then when you leave and 2 weeks from now, you keep thinking about the same property, that's probably where you're going to end up, is the way I feel. I think Liz understands the value here. I'm so glad I showed it to her. I don't think it's for her. I think she, like me, likes a raw space and she wants to gut things and build things. And I get that, but I'm really glad I showed it to her.
When I saw the original video of this space, I just sort of, I think I wrote it off kind of because of the furniture and things like that. It didn't really feel like something that I would be interested in, but now seeing it and seeing the potential here, yeah, it feels like a really good space. I think this is a great option. It really is something that you could move into, which makes it high at the list so that, you know, I wouldn't have to necessarily do a lot of work. But there are definitely some things I would want to change. Also, the upstairs part I think is crucial to the whole project, and you definitely want to renovate up there. So it's a good contender. After leaving the house, I could definitely tell myself that this would be a really cool project, but I wouldn't want to live there necessarily.
But yeah, this was cool. Thank you, Federico. I don't know where he's gone. but he just wanders. He's a wandering guy.
Eccomi.
Oh, there he is.
Ci sono.
Thank you, Federico, for showing us this
Thank you,
property.
Annette.
And thanks for watching. If you've gotten this far, you know we love you. So like and subscribe, and we'll see you at the next place. Peace.
Ciao.